Hey, welcome back to the farm. Today we're back on our fencing. I'm gonna put a post here for my gate to latch. I've got a new latch I've been wanting to try. I'm not sponsored, and I bought this with my own money. It's called a Sure latch, so that's my big thing today. I'm gonna put this post in, get this mounted, and we'll see how it works. And hopefully this weekend, I think it's supposed to be sunny. I know it's supposed to be cold, but maybe we can get some more of this other stuff done and we'll film it. So let's go ahead. I got the hole started, and we'll drill it with an auger, and then we'll set the post and see if this thing will work. So let's get started. Okay, we got it. I accidentally knocked my camera over, so we got it in the hole, and I don't know how much slack that thing needs. Let's open it up and look at it. I wonder if it's got any instructions in it. Two inches between ghost, post, and gate. The way this works, this sits on the post. This is on the gate. It comes through and latches right there. And then you just lift this up and pull it out. So let me get a tape measure. We need 2 inches. Got it there. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull it out and ream that hole out. So let me pause the video and I'll do that. All right, we got it. Or I got it. I had to go find my post hole diggers and clean it out some, and still couldn't get it right. So went and got a smaller diameter pole. Dug one out, and that's what took me so long. But we're right now. We're at 2 1/4 inches, and it said 2 to 2 3/4. So next time I know not to put that thing so tight. I'll give me a little more wiggle room. I tried to water it out, and I couldn't get it with my tractor implement. So anyway, let's see if we can get some stuff and get this thing mounted. Pencil somewhere. They don't come with a screws to mount this with, but I just happened, luckily found some lag bolts, so I'm gonna get them and we'll get started. All right, let's get the thing mounted. Okay, this comes with shims where to work on a 1 5/8 and a 2 inch. So this is 1 5/8. I put the shims in it. I don't know if it's the same size as. All right, I think I got it. I had to go get my impact to suck that up a little better, but you can see how it works there. I'm actually gonna like it. I haven't tapped this pole in good yet, so it's a little bit wobbly. Right there, slick. Let's get a close up of it. Yeah, I bought that. That's $19.99, $20 at Co-op, and I've been wanting to try one forever. This YouTube channel we watch, they use it, so that's where we first seen it at. And it's called latch. Man, I like it. It beats some old chains. So I think I'll use that on all of them. It's just kind of a trial. I've had that thing for over a week. It's been killing me not to put it on there. I was going to do it this weekend. It rained and all that stuff. And of course, I got in a big hurry on this pole, or post. So it kind of slowed me up. So I'll come back and tap that. Now I still got to put brace posts on both sides of these posts. Hopefully I get to do that Saturday. I got to put another brace post in the middle there, and we're going to start setting some steel posts, and we'll bring you along. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's called Latch. I bought it with my own money, so I'm not endorsing it. I mean, I'm endorsing it, but I'm not getting paid to it. Yeah, I love it. So anyway, you want to learn more about farming and goats and chickens and eggs and gardening and stuff like that, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate you farming with us, and we'll see you in the next one.